Hello stalkers, welcome back. Dubai Taxi got listed today in Dubai financial market with a bang. We saw some huge volumes, more than 100 million shares exchange hands today. If we talk about trades, we saw more than 6,000 trades in Dubai Taxi itself. In this video, let's analyze how Dubai Taxi performed on the day of listing, that is today. But before that, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe for regular updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Also, do not forget to on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also, after watching this video, if you think it was helpful, then please do not forget to hit the like button. I am on the 15 minutes chart. Today it opened at 2.20. Not to forget, offering price was at 1.85. So with this opening, definitely investors are in profits. Immediately in first 15 minutes, we saw selling pressure coming in. Support was found at 2.11. Here we saw some demand coming in, and from here price moved up. It traded within the range for about 45 minutes. And then finally we saw a breakout. This was the breakout that I was waiting for. By the way, I received allotment as well of 2,000 shares. I sold at 2.16 right into this zone. When I saw selling pressure coming in this area, I booked the profits, and I wanted to add big quantity, so I waited for a proper price action. My new entry is at 2.20 right here. When I saw it broke to the upside and it was just moving sideways from here, after this breakout, I added some quantities here, and later during the day, we saw price was just going sideways from here. The best part is it has closed above the closing of 2.20, that was opening price or listing price. So this is a good indication that it has now established a support here, and most likely we can see continuation to the upside. If we talk about support zones, then this area that is 2.18 is immediate support if 2.20 does not hold. If this is broken, then next area of support is at 2.15 area. Hopefully price does not come lower. And then finally strong support area at 2.11. Previously we saw good buying coming in, so definitely buyers will gather here in the same zone. But most likely I'm seeing if tomorrow if it opens with a gap up or at least a flat opening, then there are good chances it will continue its momentum to the upside. If you are planning for any fresh entries, then you should only buy about 2.23, as we can see this area is resistance. But we are not seeing any deeper correction from this zone. So this is a good indication that people are still holding on to their position. There is no panic selling. Investors are confident that from here most likely price can go up as closing is positive. Since this is a new stock, there is no resistance at the top. So we ride this trend till we see any bearish candle or negative scenario in the market. So wishing all the very best to Dubai Taxi. Let's see how it performs and closes for the week. If this video was helpful, then please do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.